Hello everyone, and today we are going to start nutrition. Without nutrition, nothing in our life. एक फ्रेज भी है, एक गाना भी है, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान। ये तीन चीज़ें हमारे लिए बहुत इसेंशियल हैं। ओके, ये मैं ना भूलूँगा मूवी का डायलॉग है। तो वाकई में बात बहुत सही है कि बिना फूड मटेरियल के लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म सरवाइव नहीं कर सकता। कहाँ से एनर्जी आएगी हमें बोलने के लिए, हमें अपने वर्क करने के लिए? सो दैट इज न्यूट्रिशन. Nutrition is a process in which organism takes complex food material and convert in simple food material, produce energy, and energy utilized in our vital activities. That is known as nutrition. Okay, there are different kinds of mode of nutrition. Number one, that is known as autotrophs, and second number is known as heterotrophs. Okay. Okay, children, auto, according to the name, in a short form I want to make video. Autotrophs, it means organism which can make own food material. They do not depend upon others. So only two things are there, some bacteria as well as plant. So it is divided in a two category, photosynthetic as well as chemosynthetic. One is a photosynthetic, that example is a universal plant. You know that without plant we can't survive, from where oxygen will come. So by the photosynthesis plant prepare food material. In a previous video in a structure of chloroplast that I told regarding photosynthesis. And second one, chemosynthetic. Some bacteria are there, denitrifying bacteria, sulfur bacteria. They produce their own food. So they are also known as autotrophs organism. Heterotrophs divided in a different categories. Parasitic. One living organism consume food material from other living organism. That is a parasitic. Some organism, they take food material from dead and decaying material, that is known as saprophytes. Holozoic, according to the name I have find out the meaning. Holo and zoic. Holo, they swallow food material in a hollow cavity. Our esophagus, all these are hollow. So that it is a method to learn. Holozoic organism. We and many organisms are there included in a holozoic organism. In your syllabus for unicellular organism, one example is given for amoeba and another one for that is a human being. Okay, so that amoeba unicellular organism and human being multicellular organism. Okay, so you remember all these things. These are the basic things. MCQ question can come from this part also. Okay. There are different phases for nutrition, then complex food material, change in a simple food material with the help of the digestive juice, which release from liver as well as pancreas. These two are digestive glands that help in a digestion of food material. Okay. When food material comes inside mouth, that is the ingestion. It means when the food will come inside our body, mouth, that is the ingestion, then digestion, then absorption, important material will absorb in body, then that digested food which is absorbed in body by special organs are there, details we will see now, then distributed in a different parts of the body, and unwanted material that will come outside the body, that is known as egestion. Assimilation, it means distribution of the digested food material. So there are 5 phases in a nutrition, that is the ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Children, you will remember in a continuation, step-wise step. You will not do such a thing, digestion will come first and the egestion will come. It will be wrong. For MCQ questions, you will remember all these things. Okay? For the nutrition, there are 2 things there. First one, that is the alimentary canal, and second one, that is the digestive gland that completed nutrition. Okay? Now we will see nutrition in amoeba. Okay? There are different phases are there. First one, ingestion. With the help of pseudopodia, amoeba takes food material in a food vacuum. It is a food vacuum. Okay, then food material will come in a vacuum. Okay. Second number, then there are so many enzymes are present in a food vacuole like pepsin and all that. They will digest food material. Okay. After digestion of food material, absorption takes place in cytoplasm. Now, multicellular organism. We are here. We are multicellular. Okay? Our alimentary canal from mouth to anus, that is many parts are there. We will see in that. First part, that is a mouth. In a mouth, tongue and teeth are present. Okay? Now see children, in our alimentary canal, first part, that is the mouth, okay, esophagus, stomach, after stomach to ileum, that is the small intestine. Small intestine divided in three categories. First is the duodenum, second is the jejunum, that is present in a rudiment form, and third is iliac. Then large intestine, it is divided in three categories: cecum, colon and rectum. Then last portion, that is the anus part, is there. Two digestive glands are there. One is the liver, second one, that is pancreas. Largest gland of body, that is the liver. Okay. Now you will see that how our digestive system digests food material, that complete digestion takes place here. First of all, food will come in our mouth. We will grind with the help of the teeth and help of the saliva. In a saliva, a special type of enzyme is present, that is known as a salivary amylase or ptyalin, that digests to the starch and change into the maltose. In a human being, digestion is started from our mouth. Okay children? Then no digestion will take place in a esophagus, only contraction and expansion will take place there. It can increase in a size or decrease in a size. That is known as peristalsis movement, contraction and expansion in the esophagus. No digestion will be there. You have to remember video is important for general science students, those who appear in a competition, as well as ICSE 10th, as well as CBSE 10th. Okay, children? So, start to digest with the help of salivary amylase and convert in a maltose. Okay? Salivary gland release an enzyme that is known as a salivary amylase or ptyalin. It work on starch like this. We are eating rice, chapati, all that. जितना भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट हमने खाया हुआ है वो पॉलीसेकेराइड है केमिस्ट्री के रूल के अकॉर्डिंग। अब वो धीरे धीरे डाइजेस्ट हुआ, पॉलीसेकेराइड कन्वर्ट इन अ डाइसेकेराइड दैट इज़ अ माल्टोज। And 11, 12 children, 12th class children especially, all these carbohydrate types आप पढ़ते हैं बायोमोलिक्यूल्स वाले चैप्टर में। ओके, सेकेंड, इन इसोफेगस नो डाइजेशन। कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड एक्सपेंशन, हम कहीं जा रहे हैं, जल्दी जल्दी में है, जल्दी जल्दी खाया हमने, इसोफेगस से फूड मटेरियल सीधे कहाँ चला गया, स्टमक में चला गया। ओके, दिस इज़ द नेचुरल, मसल्स आर प्रेजेंट देयर, दे विल हेल्प इन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड एक्सपेंशन टू द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। कभी कभी हमने ज़्यादा खा लिया, पार्टी में गए, शादी में गए, हाँ भाई दावत हो गई, बहुत सारा रसगुल्ला खा लिया, जो कुछ भी खा लिया, ओवर ईटिंग हो गई हमारी जो है, उसके कारण भी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एक्सपेंशन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में होता है। इन अ स्टमक HCl acid, in a mouth alkaline medium. Okay, then stomach acidic medium, enzyme is there, pepsinogen. Pepsinogen will change in a pepsin with the help of HCl acid, and whatever food material is coming from mouth that is alkaline, stomach में आया, एसिडिक मीडियम हो गया, केमिस्ट्री का रूल कहता है न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन हो जाएगा। और अगर न्यूट्रलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ तो हम एसिडिटी में आ जाएंगे, और एसिडिटी के लिए फिर से हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इनो लेना पड़ेगा, जो फिर से बेचारा न्यूट्रलाइजेशन कर देगा, एंड एसिडिटी गॉन। Now food material is coming after neutralization in a small intestine. Small intestine is long in herbivorous organism. Okay? Why? Because herbivorous organism takes what type of cellulose material? Cellulose is a complex material. It takes long time for the duration, and it is long in a herbivorous organism, children. You have to remember. Okay? Then food material in a small intestine, there are 3 parts in a small intestine. First is the duodenum. In a duodenum, you see that in a duodenum, that bile duct is coming. It will bring bile juice, pancreatic juice from pancreas. See this pancreatic juice. It is coming in a duodenum part. That fat material digest by the bile juice, convert in a fatty acid as well as glycerol. Okay? All disaccharide carbohydrate change and digest with the help of many enzymes are there, just like enterokinase, lipase, sucrase, many are there. They will digest food material. And one most important enzyme, trypsin. Trypsin will digest protein material. Remaining part of the protein which has been not completed in a stomach, it will digest in a duodenum with the help of trypsin enzyme. Okay, trypsin will change to the dipeptides in a amino acid. It's a rule of the chemistry. Protein convert in a amino acid. Okay, and carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate, polysaccharide carbohydrate change in a monosaccharide carbohydrate, that is the glucose. Fat material that change in a fatty acid and glycerol. So we have completed two phases. One is the ingestion, second is the digestion. Up to the duodenum, digestion will complete. Then ileum part is there that it is responsible for absorption of food material. In a higher classes you will study in ileum, finger-like projections are present, that is known as a villi. Villi will absorb digested food material, okay, and send to the liver. Liver will change many conversion, then distributed in a different parts of the body, that is known as assimilation. And after assimilation, undigested food material comes outside the body, that is known as egestion. So children, most important thing is there. You will remember function of villi. Ingestion in a mouth, digestion completed up to the duodenum, then in ileum, what will be there? Absorption, then assimilation, then removal of unwanted food material in a semi-solid form, that is known as the egestion, because there is a difference between excretion and egestion. Okay, so you have to remember, this is the important point.